cafe we made leek and potato soup using the potatoes from the garden. But we had extra potato, so we've kept it aside, and today we're going to use that to make our gnocchi. So using your leftover mash to make gnocchi is a brilliant way of cutting down your food waste, but it also helps to save money. You can make the gnocchi, freeze it and keep it there until you're ready to use it, and that's another meal. Food waste is such an important issue at the moment, and anything we can do to help cut down on food waste makes a big difference to our carbon footprint. So I've got 1 pound of mashed potato that we've left to cool down. I've got 4 ounces of plain flour, and I've got 1 medium-sized egg. A good tip is to put your pot on with your water and leave that to start boiling while you're doing the rest, and it just saves you time at the end. So we're going to put our flour into our mashed potato, and we're going to add in our egg. And then I've got my gloves, we're just going to get in with our hands and we're going to turn this into a nice dough. So you're just going to keep mixing it. What you're looking for is for the dough to all come together into one big ball, and so that you can't see any of the flour. So it should take about 3 minutes just to bring it all together. Just keep going round and round the bowl and collecting the flour that's on the side as you go. So that's almost ready. As you can see, there's just a little bit of flour left. We just want to lose that. So we're just going to flour our surface. Plenty of flour just to stop it sticking. Then we're going to take our dough out. And the easiest way to do it is just to cut a section of dough, and we're just going to roll it into a sausage. The good thing about making gnocchi at home is you can make your pieces as big or as small as you want them to be. You can have them in big balls, you can have them in little pieces like this. So you're just going to divide them all up into even sized pieces. And a little tip for getting a good shape is to just run it down a fork, and that gives you your lines. So you just want to do that using up all your gnocchi. Now at this point you can put it in an airtight container and you can freeze it, or you can cook it straight away to use it. So we're just going to drop it in the boiling water. It's going to go in here for about 3 minutes, but what you're looking for is for the gnocchi to float. Once it starts to float up, we'll take it out with a slotted spoon. The best way to do it is to batch cook it, just in small batches at a time. Think if only everybody knew how easy it was to make gnocchi, we'd all be making it instead of buying it. So this was literally in here about 2 minutes, and this is ready to take out now. So we just take it out with a slotted spoon into the bowl, then we'll be able to batch cook our next lot. So in our last video, Darren made a lovely passata sauce. That would be perfect to go with the gnocchi. Or if you look out for our up and coming videos, there'll be lots more different ideas of sauces that you could have with your gnocchi. If you'd like to try making this for yourself and you're looking for the recipe, everything you need to know will be in the description.